Hello class, Percy here again. I'm adding this resource to week 4 lecture. If you do not have Photoshop and you need something to optimize your image, this is an online resource. I have the link posted in the bottom of the page for the class, so you can use this one to edit your images if you do not have Photoshop or you don't have any optimizing tools to use. So all you need to do is to click here to select your image, and my image is already pointing to my folder because I've used it before. But yeah, if you click on this, let me start by starting it all over to reset the whole thing if you do not know how. So assuming this is my image that I want to use. uh, uh, Hello class, Percy here. I'm trying to throw in this tutorial real quick. For those of you who do not have Photoshop to use, this is a free online resource where you can use for your project. And this is the interface of the BeFunky. The link is right at the bottom of the page. So if you need you don't have Photoshop and you need to use something else, this one is another effective tool that you can use. You can upgrade if you want, but they make it in such a way that you can test it, play with it, see if you like it, and you can sign up for it. But for now, I just want to edit image. I don't want any of this. All I want to do is to edit my images for the website. So I click this guy to start. So it brings you to this interface. What do I need to do? I need to open the project. So I go here, open, and I want to open from my computer. So this one points to the folder where I have my images to do the assignment. So I just open it up right away. So looking at it from the start, it looks a little very this is portrait, but I need my image to be a little bit more landscape to be able to use it for what I need. So right off the bat, I will come down here. There's essentials. You see it right here. Click on rotate. I want to rotate it. I don't want it counterclockwise, but clockwise. So have it rotated like that. Apply the action to it. And again, at the bottom, I need to resize the image. So the instructions are in resize the images according to what the specifications of the project. So here on top of my head, I may be wrong, but 2000 pixels is what I need. Be sure that is what has been asked of you from the project, and you want to keep this aspect ratio on. It is there to keep the image size like uniform. You don't want to uncheck it, because if you do only 2000, it's gonna keep the height the same and your image is going to look funny. So you apply on click, and it's taking you to it's reduce your image to 2000 pixels. I'm looking at it for the background image, not a bad idea. This is what I want. So I go back here to save the image, and I want to save it back to the computer. So as you see, the 2000 you put in here is putting your dimensions here. So you see at the bottom left corner, I want my image in JPEG. I don't want it in any other format and stuff like that. And so read the instructions, and you can change the file name from here. And I know that one is main. That'll be my main background. You put it in here. I want JPEG. JPEG is selected. I don't want to do watermark for any image. It's not my personal image that I want to watermark and stuff like that. But on your own time, you can play with it and see what that also does. Okay, so you go here, you say click, save it. Right, so you've clicked to save it. But then once I've saved it, I want to download it for my image. So you click on download, it goes straight to your download folder. So what you need to do is to go back to see where you downloaded it to. And if I'm to go space to push to find my own folders, let's see here. So I go here to my download. There it is. I double click it, so I did it 2 times, and I want to save this image in my 288 folder, that the folder that I'm using for the project. That's the 288 right here. That's my downloaded image. I'll pull it back in. Boom. You click on it. So there it is, your background image used for your project. So good luck. Play with it. See if it works well for you. And see you in class. And I look forward to what you'll be doing.